Hi, I'm Jim Walker. Yesterday, I told you I would share a story about a commercial installation of patterned carpet with special conditions. If you like this story, please click the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Several years back, we had the privilege of working at the Crown Center Hotel in Kansas City. It's a jewel of a hotel and it's a landmark of Kansas City. They just rehabbed the conference areas and the ballrooms, and we were excited for the opportunity to work there. We met with the designer, architect, and hotel manager. They had chosen the product Grand Plaza, manufactured by Milliken. It is an attached back carpet tile, 39.5 inches square. That's 1 meter. Borders and feature strips were specified throughout the job. The job was to be installed glue direct. Specifically because of all the rolling traffic, the product had to stand up to. The designer explained she was creating a special effect for the hotel by placing an inset design directly under each of the 14 chandeliers. Her intent was to create a floor pattern that looked both custom to hotel visitors and could be used practically by the hotel staff as a built-in setup for banquet tables. She explained that this would save hours for each massive convention that they hosted. It took us a full day just to lay out the installation on the prep concrete floor using plumb lines and chalk lines. We used hairspray over the chalk lines to seal them onto the floor. Yes, this was a lot of extra work, but it was necessary. We had several different tiles for field and inset patterns, borders, and feature strips. We had men bringing merchandise in from the docks, delivering an unboxing tile for the installers who worked in two-man crews. One man verified product and set direction, and one man spread adhesive. We had multiple crews on the job. By deciding in advance to put more men on the job, we actually saved many hours of work. Without an adequate support staff, we would have lost money in skilled man hours. Special considerations like design and staffing could have created cost overrun that would have eaten all of our profit. Because we took the time to plan ahead and charge for special issues related to this pattern installation, this job became one of our all-time most profitable installations. I'll see you again tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.